Hello UPSC aspirants. Today I am going to tell you an inspiring story of an IAS officer. She is Pranjal Patil ma'am. Do you know what is the specialty of Pranjal Patil ma'am? She is the India's first blind IAS officer. Now I am going to tell you a brief story of Pranjal Patil ma'am. She was born on 1st April 1988 in Vadaji village, Jalgan, Maharashtra. She is the first visually impaired IAS officer in India. Her first posting was as the sub-collector of Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala in 2019. Actually, she lost her vision when she was just 6 years old. She was born with weak eyesight. Reportedly, she lost her vision completely after her eyes were exposed to direct sunlight. And the source states that once a classmate hit her eye with a pencil, due to which she lost vision in one of her eyes. After being treated, doctor says that she was born with weak eyesight, she would lose vision in her other eye too. And within a year, she completely lost vision from both of her eyes. Even though she lost vision in both of her eyes, her parents never let her impairment stand between her education. Her parents got her enrolled into the Kamala Mehta School for the Blind in Mumbai. She was a very bright student and always used to do well in her exams. When Pranjal was pursuing her graduation, her friend read an article about IAS, Indian Administrative Service. It piqued her interest in civil services and she decided to pursue a career in the same. However, she waited until she was ready to appear in the examination. In 2015, when Pranjal was pursuing her MPhil degree, she started preparing for the UPSC entrance examination. While preparing for the UPSC entrance examination, she used technology to help her in the preparations. She used a software named Job Access with Speech, means JAS, which is a screen recording software which helps visually impaired users to read the screen with text-to-speech output and a refreshable braille display. Once in an interview, she stated that the process of preparing through JAS was tough, as she had to get the necessary books scanned to use JAS. JAS only read printed documents. Her friend Vidushi came to her aid as a writer. She was very happy with Vidushi being her writer, as she was supported and would also help Pranjal during her preparations. She states that she never took any coaching classes for her preparation, but she used to go for test series which helped her to get discipline for her preparation. She appeared for the UPSC examination in 2015 and she scored a ranking of 773. She was allotted a job in the Indian Railway Account Service IRAS, but as her vision was nil, she wasn't deemed fit for the job. In an interview, she stated that she was very disappointed after her rejection from the job in the IRAS, but it only made her stronger and more determined to get a better rank in her second attempt. And in her second attempt, she became an IAS officer. That to be, she is the first impaired IAS officer in India. So, from this story, we can learn that no disability can't stop anyone's dream. But the biggest disability which stops everyone's dream is fear. Actually, nothing is impossible unless if you think it is possible. So keep on moving, never give up. Only fine day you will definitely get success. So never give up, keep on moving. All the best for your preparation. If you like it, please subscribe it.